In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut UK co-payment business account. We'll go step by step from the first click to reaching your new business dashboard, and I'll add tips along the way to make the process smooth. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Make sure you're on the official Revolut site before you proceed. On the home page, look for the option to create an account and select it. When prompted, choose the United Kingdom as your country. This ensures your account is set up under UK regulations and gives you access to UK-specific features. Click Continue. Next, select your legal business type. For this walkthrough, choose Limited Company or Co., which is the correct option for most incorporated UK businesses. Click Continue again. Enter a work email you check regularly. Then continue. Head to your inbox and authorize the login using the message Revolut sends. This confirms your email and brings you back to the sign-up flow. Now, enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected and that you can receive text on this device. Click Continue, then type in the verification code you receive by SMS. Create a strong, unique password you don't use elsewhere, and continue. You'll then enter your date of birth, followed by your residential address. Use your true current address, ideally the one that matches your identification, and continue after each section. Search for your company's legal name exactly as registered and select it when it appears. Continue and provide your business details: the legal name, your company's house registration number, and the date of incorporation. If you're unsure, you can confirm these on the company's house website. Click Continue. Add your business trading address, including the city and postcode. If your trading address differs from your registered office, be sure to enter the correct one for your operations. Continue. You'll now verify your identity. This is a standard compliance step. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or driving license, and follow the on-screen guidance. When prompted, start the short video recording to confirm liveness. Use good lighting, keep your ID flat and readable, and follow the instructions carefully. Once you've completed verification, your application will be reviewed. When approved, you'll land on your Revolut business dashboard where you can manage accounts, cards, and payments. Approval can be quick, but depending on checks, it might take a little longer. That's it. Your Revolut UK Limited Company business account setup is complete and ready to use.